this build. It's getting quite long now. I understand people might be getting bored of it, but I kind of hope that at the same time there might be people who'll follow along. Anyway, what I've been working on recently is lighting. I wanted to add lights to the Tudor building I'm creating, and I decided to use LED strips. I didn't film the process of actually making the lights because it took me ages. I'm not very good at soldering and stuff, and I get frustrated and irritated. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tell you the process and show you the end result. So if you just bear with me for a minute, I'll reset the camera and we'll get on with it. Right, basically I used this USB powered LED strip. I'm aware that these LED strips could be quite expensive, but luckily I found a 1 meter roll in our local pound shop, and basically all I've done is I cut a piece off the end, and where you see them two focus, where you see those two copper dots, I just soldered on some old speaker wire I had laying around. First of all, I had to actually remove, I'm sorry about the focusing, I don't know, it's usually a lot better than this. You can just see shining like a rubbery coating, so I had to remove that first and then solder on a couple of bits of old speaker wire. The next thing I did was I grabbed a couple of 9-volt batteries with the clips onto a switch, and then I wired it into the building. I've got 2 switches simply because I wanted to be able to turn on upstairs lights and downstairs lights individually. So I can't remember which switch is what at the minute, but I think that one does. Oh, you see, I told you I wasn't very good at soldering. I'm gonna have to redo that, but that does the downstairs lights. And if I can just readjust, talk about fail. Well, you can just about see through the window the bit of work I've done on the inside. This is why I didn't really do too much on the inside, because you can't see a great deal of it, but there's just enough there, I feel, to give a little bit of interest. And then spinning the building back around again, you can just about see the work I've done on the inside there. Wallpaper, door, and the cabinet sideboard inside. Now the other switch, if you can just bear with me 1 second, lights up the top. Now what I did for the light upstairs, I wanted it red for those something for the weekend moments, and basically all I did was painted over the LED with a bit of red acrylic paint. Now it does dim the light down a fair bit, but I think in better light you'll be able to see it a bit better. I've come into the kitchen to film because it gives the best light in the house for some reason, but at the same time it doesn't really help with this particular video. Anyway, that's what I've got done up to now. I'm really sorry I can't show you better, and I had a couple of little technical faults there, but I didn't want to film the process of soldering everything and showing you all that, because like I said, it took me blooming ages, and the footage I did actually have of me doing it, I've got rid of it because it frustrated me watching it. So there we are, that's the lights done, part 7 completed. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you will come back to watch some more. So that's it for now, thanks for watching, see you later.